Hello guys, Kata Adenka here again. I first want to start off for apologizing for some of my videos. I'm actually just getting the hang of how this actually works. So I realized that the video I posted yesterday on how to make $1,000 in every 2 days has some little hiccups. So this is a kind of a fix up for that video. Just as I said in the last video, several people are always looking for quick fast money. Most people are just like, okay, is there something I can be doing that can give me $1,000 every 2 days, every one day, every 5 days, every week, and all that kind of stuff? We hear all those kind of things, especially in my society, in my country, Nigeria. Now, wherein it is possible, it also has its risks. Okay, it is possible for you to be trading on a site like Binance, to be trading cryptocurrency on a site like Binance with a capital of say $20,000. Surely, I believe that if you are good enough, you should be able to make $2,000 per day or per 2 days, because you are trading with a large sum of money. The idea behind this video is that I want to educate as many that are not aware that making money online requires money. You need money to make what? To make money. There are a lot of things you can do to make money, but most of these things require lot and lot and lot of capital. Okay, so rather than going about beating around the bush and trying to find something that is there but you are not able to afford, you should focus your energy on building up. Okay, what do I mean by building up? Okay, um rather than going about focusing on referral business and all those kind of things, you are trying to manipulate 5,000 naira or manipulate $20 into 1 million all of a sudden. Wherein it happens in a case of one in a billion. It is very rare. Why not take time to engage in some other things that will beneficiary you to you in the long run, that is not based on pure luck but based on acquired skills and experience. So what do I mean by this? There are several things you could do online that could uh, in the later future, if you do it well, learn it well and practice it well, would begin to fetch you $1,000 every 2 days. For instance, take cryptocurrency. This is a trade I predicted yesterday. Okay, I predicted this trade from this particular area, and I'm looking at it getting to this top here and all that. Now, imagine if you are trading this account with $20,000, okay, and you pick up this trade up to here with a reasonable leverage. If my calculations are right, you should have made about 1,000 to $2,000 profit around this region, or probably around somewhere here. So you see, it is possible, but you require a lot of money. So that brings us to the first thing you could do to make $1,000 online. Trade crypto. Crypto has literally taken over the world with the advent of Bitcoin, which is the father of them all, Ethereum, ADA, and so much more. I'm sure if you are watching this video, this is not your first time of hearing about cryptocurrency. So why not go around, look for people or look for tutorials online on YouTube, learn how to monetize this system. This is a new stock, this is a new shares for our own generation. Why not get in on the train and begin to trade? And there are several forms of cryptocurrency trading, which I mentioned in the other video. Please do well to watch the video. You might not necessarily need to be doing all what I'm doing here, okay? But if you have the time, you can learn how to do all this and make more money. Okay, you could just be an holder, you could just decide to buy this cryptocurrency and keep it for some period of time, hoping that the value would appreciate. Now, to do that, you don't require any skill. You just need to buy it and anticipate that maybe in the next 2 years, 3 years, this coin, this cryptocurrency would appreciate. My money will double, my money will triple, my investment will triple, and all that. So you could check that out online. It's actually termed holding, crypto holders. Rather than I'm spelling it with old, LD, it's actually spelled OLD, EL. So old definition, sometimes explained as circumstance for old, for dear life, or some variation. Okay, what is a term commonly used by cryptocurrencies that refuse to sell their cryptocurrency regardless of the price increasing or decreasing? So what that simply means is that you are holding it, you are not bothered about the 1 hour change, the daily change, the monthly change in the price. You have a target that in the next 5 years, this cryptocurrency will make me a billionaire. So you just buy as many as you can and you forget about it, okay? And you keep your private keys and all you need to access it in the later future. So you could do that, or you could learn to trade like I just showed you in this place, okay? And all that. Although someone requested that I should do a video on how to trade on Binance for beginners, which I'm going to work on in the later this week. I will do that this week. So let's move on. I'm sorry I'm fast. It's because there's a video that has given us more breakdown on what to invest in. So you should go again and see that video. So another thing you could do online that could be fetching you much money, you could trade the forex or stocks market. So you have heard of forex trading. Forex trading is simply the trading of the exchanges between different currency, Euro USD, that is the Euro and US dollar, and GBP USD, that is the British pound and the US dollar. So you could go and research this, okay? Register on any of the brokers. This is a broker, FSTM, IQ Options is a broker, Otter Market is a broker. You know, do your research, learn how to trade. It's very similar to cryptocurrency, just with little differences. So learn how to trade and take your time. It might take you 6 months, 1 year to learn and to become an intermediate. I will not call you an expert, an intermediate at trading. So you'll be making reasonable money from it. So in the long run, you have gathered a lot of capital. Uh, you have made a lot of money from it, either by trading or by teaching people how to trade or by providing signals for people on what and what not to trade on a daily basis. You would have accumulated a lot of money. There's a lot of ways to monetize forex and crypto trading. So you could use this money and invest into the same forex to trade. So imagine trading with a $10,000 account. Now in our own currency here in Nigeria, that's a lot of money. Imagine making a 10% gain or 10% profit every single day. Let's assume you don't even trade every single day because the forex market doesn't open on Saturdays and Sundays. That is leaving us with about 18 days every single month, making $1,000 every single day as profit. That is about $18,000 every single month. Now you do the conversion rate and you will realize how rich you will become. But then it takes time to build, it takes time to learn, it takes time to build your account to get to $10,000 before you start enjoying all this benefit. And the thing with trading is that the larger your account size, the more easier it becomes to trade because you are not really bothered or scared about taking certain amount of risk. But imagine trading with a $50, $100 account, you are always scared. It affects your emotion, it affects your thinking, it affects your trading, it affects automatically your analysis. So let's move right on. Another thing you could do online, like I said yesterday, is to become a freelancer. Okay, there are several networks or platforms online that provide uh, a page where freelancers and their prospective clients can meet. For instance, we have Upwork, we have Fiverr. I'm sure you must have heard of one of these two. If you haven't heard of them, you have to go and do your research. I cannot expect you not to have heard of that. So Upwork, formerly Freelancer, there's an American freelance platform where enterprises and individuals connect in order to conduct business. So it's a business online platform. Okay, you can offer skills there as a writer, you can offer skills there as a producer. There are a lot of things. You just have to take your time and go through the details and the kind of skills you can offer on Upwork. You might already have one of these skills, but you don't know that you can monetize it on a certain platform. Take time, watch YouTube videos on how to register and how to get started. And if probably you want me to do that on how to get started on Upwork, you will just tell me that in the comment section and I will get right on it. The same thing applies to Fiverr, okay? So let's move along. There are several skills you could provide there. Graphic designer, some of you are already graphic designers. You could be into real estate, law. There are a lot of things there. I personally have an Upwork account, so you could also open an Upwork account and begin to monetize it. But then you need a skill. So if you don't have any of the skills that are listed in Upwork, that's after you have done research and you see you have realized that you don't have any skills, check through the skills and see anyone that interests you, that captivates you, that you want to learn. Then take time, search online, maybe through YouTube videos, or if you have someone that could teach you and you pay the person a certain amount of money, pay. Knowledge doesn't come free, something that is valuable, you can't really just affix an amount to it. So try as much as possible to pay. So several of us have had to pay for several of the skills we possess today, and it's helping us in one way or the other. So you could pay the person and get the person to train you, to teach you, so that you become an expert or at least an intermediate. Then before you open the Upwork or the Fiverr account and start monetizing it. Okay, I know a lot of guys that make $10,000 to $50,000 per year from Upwork. Okay, because they've taken their time. When I heard about them, I realized that one of the guys actually started like 5 years ago. So you see, he took time to build. At first, he explained how he struggled, how he had issues, but then nobody saw him then. But now today, with the margin of $50,000 per year, imagine how much it makes per month. Imagine how much it makes per day if you do your calculation right. So you could also take time to go into that. Another thing you could do online to make money, which everybody is virtually talking about, is to become an affiliate marketer. Okay. Speaking affiliate marketing just simply means how would I put it now? Uh, is a scenario whereby online stores, online stores actually, let me say, use affiliate marketing as an incentive to get more buyers. Okay, affiliate marketing is like this. Most times when you're using an app or a particular mobile app or a store, they tell you refer, and they say that when the person you refer purchases something from the store, maybe Jumia now for instance, okay, if the person you refer purchases something from the store, you get 10%, 20% of the amount of money that the person used in purchasing whatever he purchased on Jumia. Now you might be wondering, how can I make so much money to even get people to buy these things, to even refer them for them to click your link is a problem. Now that is you limiting yourself, okay? People are actually making thousands and thousands of dollars from affiliate marketing. Now, I will give you a hint on how they do it. Most of them are influencers. They have an active Twitter account, active Instagram account, a YouTube account with over 50,000 views or 10,000 views every single video they post. So they use that as an opportunity to market their affiliate link. So when they go to Jumia, they get an affiliate link from Jumia, read the conditions. Okay, I get 20% from every purchase that somebody makes through my link. So they go and create a video on a product, and they attach the link in the description and say, okay, click the link if you want to buy this description. For instance, many people are always looking for a way to lose weight these days, especially ladies, I'm sorry to say. So you might look for a video online and get details, create your own video like I'm doing now with certain images and props. Then you insert your description, your link in the description, telling them that if you want to get this slim tea product, just click the following. So once they click the link, they get to Jumia page and they purchase the product. Immediately, Jumia has to remit to you 20% of the amount they purchased. So imagine 1,000 people, okay, every day are purchasing 10,000, or every month purchasing 10,000 worth of product on Jumia. Let's say it is a 10% commission. That's 1,000 on every 1,000 person. Now you do the math. That's a lot of money at the end of the month. You're making 1,000 naira from 1,000 people every month. So you could take up your time and begin to build a YouTube channel or Twitter channel, social media account, Twitter. Some of you are already influencers, but you don't even know how to monetize it. You have a lot of followers, you have WhatsApp TVs and all that, but you don't know how to do that. Okay, this is an it. Okay, you have to get right on it and start working now. Okay, there's no free money anywhere. Okay, it doesn't just come to you. You have to work for it. So that's the end of today's video, and I want to apologize again for the previous video that had some issues. Okay, next up, I'll be preparing a video on how to trade on Binance for beginners. Be anticipating that as soon as I post it. Please do watch, like, subscribe, and comment. And if you want me to make any other video apart from the one I just mentioned now, please let me know in the comment section. Do have a nice day.